Good evening, everyone. Today we are talking about that boosting B2B logistic performance with Odoo and 3PL. So how can we improve the performance in terms of the logistic and 3PL implementations? So we can discuss with our customer success stories. Okay. So we as a Brainwire, 12 plus years of the experience and team of the 4,500 experts. We are leading force in the global digital transformations with a successful completed 2,500 projects. We have implemented 20 plus countries driving solutions across the key industry like real estate, retails, manufacturing, automobiles, healthcare, BFSI, educations, and also we have provided the AI solutions to this type of the industries. Okay. Also we have a gold partner in USA, Canada, Middle East, Singapore. We have our core customers. Here you can see the Cure International. It's a non-profit organization. We have implemented the distribution center there along with the 11 different countries. Another one is Ajmal, our core implementations. More than 400 plus retail store we have implemented, and also the other our customers we have implemented those type of the different solutions. Okay. Myself as a Ravi Jadav, I am as a technical architecture at the Brainvire. I am associate with the Brainvire last 6.5 years and total 11 plus of the experience. So my role is delivering the scalable performance based optimization solutions to customer. It is not only the current problems, but it will be considered as the future growth. Okay. Here is my key specializing. Here you can see the ERP implementations, AI utilization in the business process, where they can utilize the automation process, drawing the technical architecture and the requirement gathering to providing the solutions to the client. Marketplace integrations just like Amazon, Shopify, Lazada, Adobe e-commerce. Also, we have integrated the Odoo with SAP, Salesforce, Oracle, Zoho integrations. Yeah. Okay. So today we are discussing about the one of our customer, iWeb Grocer success story. So this customer is a majority. It is based from the Miami. And right now we have implemented that this system is in a Saudi Arabia region. Customer is a one-stop shop for the food, grocery, health, and beauty products. In this implementations, we have implemented the 60,000 plus SKUs, which is considered as the FMCG categories. So it will consider the fast-moving products. Yeah. This implementations we have utilized as a trusted by the wholesaler, supermarket, trading firms. We can consider the restaurants, hotels. They are supplying their inventories. Okay. So here you can see we can identify here the gaps. Before start implemented this project, we identified these are the gaps in terms of the functional challenges, in terms of the technical challenges. We can consider here insufficient stock storage. So it means there is no any visibility for the rack. Means some of the goods are in different stock, some of the same goods are in the different stock. So they cannot easily identify, means how much is the exact stock in our locations. Okay. Inaccurate in and out stock management. Before this implementations, there is no any tracking for the what is the upcoming inventory stock is coming in future, and what is the upcoming going stock in the future. Okay. Picking inefficiencies. So there is no process before this implementations as a first expiry, first out. There is no any priority sequences. Okay. Lot and serialized lot tracking. Before that, there is no any automated lot tracking, but after implementation, there is automated lot tracking. Okay. Quarantine stock and scrap stock. There is no any properly segregations between this one. Fragmented customers account data, no any consolidated financial report review. So per admin management, top level management can see directly, easily identify. So we have implemented those type of the reports in there. Previously, it is a manually packaging and product naming inconsistency. So after this implementation, it will be resolved. Okay. Below are the technical challenges we have identified in our requirement gathering part. No any intelligence route planning for the deliveries. So there is always in a delay in the deliveries, customer deliveries. Okay, limited barcode support. So we have implemented in this our implementations as a ZPL barcode. So it will be easily identified in the warehouse, in the locations, easily identified the means which product is from the which categories and stock. Okay. Inability to auto create and sequence locations tracking. Picking list and report like business specific insights, and the integrations gap for the van sales and 3PL fulfillment planning. So we have implemented this one is in a fruitful result. Coming to the next slide. Okay, so tailored solutions by the Odoo and Brainvire. Here we utilize the minimum customizations. We utilize the Odoo standard flow. In terms of the each and every process we utilize in the standard flow and with minimum customization. So it will be not any impact on the performance, speed and scalable solution. So here first we have implemented the warehouse optimization. So here you can see the rack-wise stock storage, vertical stack sequences. So we have managed this vertical stock sequences with the rack-wise stock storage. First expiry, first out picking logic. So previously in that, before this implementation, there is no any first expiry, first out logic that implemented in the previous system. But after this Odoo implementations, we have implemented first expiry, first out with a sorting via locations path. Row, columns, and depth. So using this functionality, when we implemented this first expiry, first out, it will be reducing the expired stock. So it will be fast moving the real stock. Okay. Parent location logic ensure the accurate total pickable quantity. So previously there is no any parent-child locations bifurcations, but after this implementation there is a parent-child bifurcations. So easily from the parent locations, easily user can identify means in this warehouse stock, this inventory, this product, this much stock is available. So is it easily identify. Okay. Inventory segregations here, quarantine locations auto executed from the pickable stock. Okay, so when we confirm this order, it is auto executed the pickable stock, whatever the available on the parent locations. Okay, scrap location executed using the stock display module. So scrap location is easily identify, means this one is a scrap locations stocks, so it will be not usable. Barcode and tracking enhancement. So we have implemented the custom ZPL barcodes with lot serial number locations barcode tracking. So in upcoming slides, we will showcase you how we have implemented the barcode management for this implementations. Auto sequencing for the accurate stock and movement traceability. Okay. Yeah. Another part is the reporting finance and unique customizations. So in terms of the reporting finance, we have customized the pickable reports for the inventory stock when inventory stock is out, and list in the priorities of the locations and priority of the data. Another one is a customer plus child account consolidated into single general entries. Previously, there is no any identification for that from this customer how much we have receivable, and from the vendor how much is the payable. But we have consolidated those for the child accounts. Product naming conversations with the packaging based on the prefix. So this one is the most important when we defining the any product packaging, product naming. That time we utilize the prefix formula. So it is easily identify out of the 60,000 plus products. Unique customizations here, we utilize the smart route and when sales planning. So whenever we implemented the 3PL, that time in terms of the van, we have managed the delivery tracking for that sequential. So it is easily and it is fast delivery from the van delivery guys. AI-powered inventory allocations, reduce picking delays. So here easily identify, means in the current warehouse stock locations, before confirming the order, easily identify in this warehouse stock is available or not available. So based on this formulas, they can take the decisions further. Consumer sentimental and market plus influence and restocking. So we have implemented for that how it is restocking in terms of the based on the consumer sentimental and market plus. Demand forecasting powered by the historical sales and trend. We have showcase to our customers so how it is work. It's a demand forecasting in terms of the past historical sales and trends. Okay, so here in the screens, here you can either we have a small customization here when we implement the product packaging. So here you can see the product packaging sequence, product naming sequence. Here you can see the first 5 letter is common for the both both packaging, but both package are different, product are same. So it is easy to identify out of the 60,000 plus the inventory products. Okay. As per the customer requirement, they want something like the purchase document map. So in that one, we have created the one small purchase document. So in this purchase document, they can easily identify using means with this purchase order where exactly they are. In terms of the bills are completed, in terms of the receipt, multiple receipts are there. So they can easily identify the receipt are completed or not completed. Okay. So here in this screens, you can see the customized picking operations. Here we fully customize for this our customer this picking operations. So this will be utilized in their internal processes, fast moving the process in terms of the picking operations, out operations, delete operations. So here you can see the first column is from. It means from locations they need to just scan directly and they need to utilize the functionality means pick the stock from these locations. Same as for the lot number and product barcode we have mentioned here. Okay. Here custom ZPL barcode. So in the out picking, here you can see we can generate the custom in incoming shipment. We can generate the custom ZPL barcode when we receiving inventory stock in our warehouse or 3PL warehouse locations. So they can stick the proper barcode, so they can easily identify that inventory. So here in this custom barcode, here custom ZPL barcode label, here you can see top of the header, the product information, after the unit barcode, the case barcode, the expiration date, and this barcode is generated. So this will be utilized in that incoming shipment. Okay. Consolidated accounting dashboard. So in this dashboard, the user can top level management can easily identify means what is the revenue from the customer. So here you can see top of the header, the different color icon is a blue icon, blue color box. Total receivable is 5.7 million. Total sales this week. So it means we have utilized here the date filter for filter functionality. So it means this report is for this week. So there is a zero any sales total sales. But here you can see the total sales August month. So it will be the 3.1 million out of 5 million. So they can mention the target here. Total sales for the August, same as for the total receivable last 60 days. So we have a customized this dashboard for the customer. For the top level management, they can review directly. They can easily identify the expiration product report. So they can easily in the upcoming delivery, they can directly move this product for the delivery shipment. Also, they can check the quality. If it is not good, then they can directly move to scrap locations. Okay, and the transfer done. This report transfer done. It is by the delivery shipment. So means whoever they are utilizing this delivery shipment process. So by whom, how much amount it is transfer is done. Okay. Here the standard report sales analysis, but in this report they can directly identify the sales analysis by the customer. So here from which customers exactly they get the good revenue, and another side is a sales analysis by the products. So which product is a fast moving. So based on these reports, they can mention the upcoming demand forecast. They can take the decisions for that. These are the products is fast moving because of they are receiving this inventory from the Miami. So it will be taking it some time. So based on this report, they can take the decisions further. Okay. The next slide is what we have implement in this overall implementations. Here you can see the smarter fulfillment one features at a time. So rack-wise and priority-driven inventory storage. So previously it is not mentioned, not utilizing any rack process, rack-wise priority given the inventory storage, but we have implemented. So whenever any upcoming delivery is there, so as a rack sequence-wise, system will automatically allocate the inventory stock to the delivery. Quarantine and scrap management automations. So previously it is not there any quarantine and stock scrap management, but once it is expirations product is nearest and same days as expirations, system will automatically transfer the inventory goods to the scrap locations. But there is also verification stage under the scrap locations. They can verify and they can move the scrap locations. But as an expiration date, they cannot utilize this inventory for that delivery. Okay. AI-based the demand forecast and smart inventory allocations. So this one is we have implemented small customizations as a AI-based demand forecast for the smart inventory allocations. So we have utilized here the put away strategies. Under the put away strategies, there is a rack. Under the rack, we have defined the specific limit of the products based on the product categories. So if it is over or if it is below, then it will be automatically demand forecast as per the defined the rules. So here we have a customized small customization under the reordering rules as per the Odoo standard functionality. Okay. Smart when routing for the B2B and 3PL deliveries. So here, as I mentioned earlier, we have implemented the for the delivery guys as a tracking, delivery tracking. So which one is the first delivery tracking, which one is the second, which one is the third. So it is based on the delivery guys locations, warehouse locations. The nearest one is, it will be defined as the first. Enhanced picking reports and audit ready documentations. So we have implemented the one reports as I mentioned, showcased earlier for the picking reports. So it will be easily identify means from which locations they need to pick this inventory. When any pick guy will do the picking the inventories as per the outgoing shipment. Custom JPL barcode and lot serialized tracking. Previously, there is no any barcode tracking in that customer old system, but we have implemented here the JPL barcode, so they can in the warehouse auditing inventory adjustment. They can easily identify this product from this categories from this product from this inventory stock. Consolidated customer account and finance report. As I showcased, the single dashboard, they can easily identify all the reports in terms of the total revenue of the receivable accounts and expiration product, upcoming expiration product, and the total revenue by the delivery persons. Goals and delivery with a visible result. So after implementations, what we have what we have received as in terms of the result. So 70% improvement in the fulfillment of the speed and from the picking to delivery process. So previously it is there is no any improvement in the previous system, but after implementation there is a 70% comparatively with their old system. 70% its improvement. Near zero picking errors with the first expiry first out. So we have implemented the first expiry first out. So it means always it will be going out the inventory stock as a first expiry first out. So there is a very rare chances for the scrap inventory for the without expiration product. Okay. Higher customer satisfaction through the faster and error-free orders. Stronger warehouse control, rack-wise visibility and tracking. Optimize 3PL collaborations with the van sales and routing planning. So as I mentioned, we have implemented the small customizations as a van tracking. So whenever any delivery schedule for the delivery guys, so it will be automatically van tracking from the warehouse location to delivery locations. Future ready with the AI driven insight for the demand and stocking. Okay. Yeah, so that's all, and we are the global partner, and we have implemented this retail products, retail implementations in a different our customers. Here you can see the Ajmal perfume. It is our 400 plus retail retail store, we have implemented the retail business. Also for the Puma Energy, it is from the South Africa. We have implemented 700 plus retail stores. Yes, that's all. Thank you. So now, if you have any questions, you can ask me. Thank you so much.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Thank you very much for coming.
Thank you so much.
Your presentation was very clear, so there are not any questions at this time. But I'm pretty sure that if people have other questions later, they can reach out to you or Brainwire.
Sure. Yeah.
Perfect.
Thank you so much.
No worries. Thank you.